Are you concerned about the security of your Facebook account? In today's digital world, it's important to take steps to protect yourself from hackers and safeguard your personal information. In this video, we'll share some valuable tips to help you secure your Facebook account. Choose a strong and unique password for your Facebook account. Avoid using obvious phrases or personal information. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This requires you to enter a verification code sent to your mobile device in addition to your password when logging in. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Hackers may use deceptive emails or websites to collect your login credentials. Always double-check the URL of the website and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Be mindful of accepting friend requests from unknown individuals. Cybercriminals may create fake profiles to gain access to your personal information. Verify the identity of the person before accepting the request. Regularly review and customize your privacy settings on Facebook. Ensure that only people you trust can see your personal information and posts. Keep your operating system, browser, and Facebook app up to date. These updates often include security patches that protect against known vulnerabilities. By following these simple tips, you can significantly enhance the security of your Facebook account and enjoy a worry-free experience on the platform. Remember, staying vigilant and practicing good cybersecurity habits is crucial in protecting your online presence.